Most corporate professionals spend hours perfecting their headline, their about section, their profile picture, and then don't really care enough about their banner. They will either upload a random city skyline or even worse, leave the default blue LinkedIn banner. Hi, I am Karishmaa, a model, anchor, author turned LinkedIn personal branding and corporate employee branding expert. And in today's video, I will help you set up your LinkedIn banner step by step. I'll be covering a Canva walkthrough tutorial and will give you my detailed banner cheat sheet in the end of the video, so keep watching. We'll be breaking down 3 different banner text templates based on which stage of career are you at. And while most of you treat your LinkedIn banner like it's a piece of decoration, I would want you to treat it like your largest real estate that is visible to any client, any recruiter, or any senior leader ASAP they land on your profile. While your profile picture talks to people about who you are, your banner talks about what you stand for on LinkedIn. Now, your banner text depends upon which stage of career are you at. I will be presenting you with 3 different templates. Choose the one that suits you the best. And also, small disclaimer before we move ahead in this video, there are multiple ways of making a LinkedIn banner in terms of design, in terms of text, in terms of content. However, this video is for those who are very busy and don't have the time to research, or those who are absolutely new to LinkedIn. Now, I know this is a lot to sit in your head, so pause the video if you may like and go grab my LinkedIn banner cheat sheet from the description below. Open it alongside the video so that I can help you design your LinkedIn banner step by step right from the top. Go grab a diary and a pen and start filling in these details with me. Now, template number 1 is for people who are either early in their career or fresh professionals. You could be an intern or someone with 1 to 2 years of experience. List down your role, your top skills, and something that you're passionate about. For example, here if we look at this banner, it says marketing intern, content strategies, social media and brand research, passionate about digital marketing. Now, template number 2 is for mid-level professionals. If you are a manager, an expert, or a specialist in your organization, list down your role, your industry, and your expertise. Have a look at this example. It says supply chain manager, logistics optimization and vendor strategy, specialized in FMCG operations. Now, template number 3 is for those who are at the C-suite level, could be a CEO, CMO, CXO, CTO, so on and so forth, or if you're a founder or a senior level leader. This is your banner structure. Your strategic role, your unique value, industry or your market that you're serving, and your years of experience. For example, this banner says Chief Operating Officer, driving operational excellence in healthcare and 20 plus years in leadership. If you're watching the video so far, I'd request hit the like button. It helps the video reach more such corporate professionals who are trying to grow on LinkedIn and motivates me to bring more such mini masterclasses to you. Now, before we actually get into how to design your banner, I want to break down a corporate professional's LinkedIn banner. If we look at this banner, there are 3 things working here simultaneously. First, I like the entire color palette. While the background is dark, the detailing in the text is in lighter colors. It doesn't fight with the background. Everything is readable within 2 seconds. Second point, that the brand name is large and centered here. There's no question about what this person does or which company are they working at. Third thing, that the supporting text is specific. It says scale your brands with social native ads. And if you see, the unique value proposition is listed in structure in bulleted format. This is the kind of banner you should aim to have. Readable, believable within 2 seconds. Now, let's build your banner in Canva. Log into your Canva account. Come ahead with me in the screen and go to step 1. Now, open Canva. If you've not signed up yet, please create an account and then click on create and type LinkedIn banner in the search bar. Select LinkedIn background photo. Now, step 2 is to pick a design that suits your career stage. We just discussed different content templates, right? So let's say if you are maybe an early professional, go for a minimalist light background so that someone can immediately recognize your text. If you are a mid-level professional, go for something that's slightly more structured with clear text hierarchy. Also, I've done all the heavy lifting for you. If you grab my banner cheat sheet from the description below, you will get design templates based on your career stage. If you're a senior leader, pick something authoritative. Have a bold, dark background with clear layout and strong, bold typography. will come across as more corporate and confident. Now I'm going to click on this template, which sounds perfect for a mid-level professional, and understand what you're looking at. So on the right of your screen, you have your design preview, and on the left, you have your editing tools. LinkedIn's banner size is 1584 by 396 pixels, and Canva's LinkedIn banner templates already use the default LinkedIn banner dimension. Now step number 4 is to edit your text. So click on any text element here in the template. You see it highlights and becomes editable. So you can replace the placeholder with your own text. We already finalized your banner text based on your career right now. I'm going to type down my text. Now step number 5 is to ensure that your text is in the mobile safe and desktop view safe zone. So when someone views on your profile picture sits at the bottom left, and your banner should be either in center and towards the right. Now, coming back to customizing your colors, click on the background, pick a color that matches your professional identity or your company's brand colors if you're opting for that. You can keep the background colors same as well if you like those from the template. For text, always remember, if your banner is dark, choose lighter fonts, and if your banner is light, choose darker font colors. Step 8 is to download this banner. So go top right corner of Canva, click share, and then download a JPG file. Now step 10 is to take your LinkedIn banner live. Go to your LinkedIn profile and hover your mouse on the banner area. A pencil icon appears, click it. Select add cover image and click on upload a single photo if you don't have a premium account, because if you have a premium account, you can upload a banner slideshow. I will also be covering a banner slideshow video in my upcoming videos. So ensure that you hit the bell icon on and don't miss out on it. Now LinkedIn shows you a preview, so confirm your text sitting in the safe zone and your banner is live. There's something that most people miss. I'd recommend that in case you're working at an organization, please always design your banner around your organization's brand palette. The core values, the core mission, it makes you instantly credible. You stand out from multiple other crowded banners on LinkedIn. Once you've updated your LinkedIn banner, I genuinely love to see what you create. So the link to connect with me is pinned in the comments. Send over your banner to me. I would love to review it for you. In case you didn't know, this particular video is an episode of my LinkedIn profile optimization masterclass series. I've already covered your headline, your profile picture, and in my upcoming videos, I'll be covering about section, rotating banner, recommendations, and a lot more. So please hit thumbs up, ensure that you subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to bring more such masterclasses for you. Share this with someone who's trying to grow their LinkedIn account. Alright, this is Karishmaa Singhal signing off. I'll see you in my next